If you're somebody seeking wooded seclusion and being surrounded by nature, somebody who appreciates functionality and sound construction, and would rather skip a stone on your own pristine pond than surf the web, then 160 Speckled Trout Run is the property for you. Let's take a look. The home is situated in the middle of 8+ acres of diverse forest with old growth trees, springs, and creeks. Located in the protected private community of Steel Creek, with easy access to Brevard, Pisgah National Forest, and Asheville Regional Airport. Even better, this home is only 2 miles from Cedar Mountain Outpost, one of a few authentic local restaurants that have recently opened in the high elevation township of Cedar Mountain, providing residents direct access to adjoining DuPont State Forest and some of the best outdoor recreation in Western North Carolina. The owner who constructed the home is an engineer who took careful consideration of all the systems and functionality of both the home and the garage. From solar-capable high-end heating and air conditioning system to a superior wall foundation, every wire has been thoughtfully placed. The ideal layout offers one-level living, a split floor plan for privacy, and large communal spaces for entertaining and enjoyment. There's a large unfinished walkout basement for all your extra storage and crafts. In addition is the accessible second level designed for ease of finishing for more conditioned space. 160 Speckled Trout Run is perfect for the person looking for wooded forest seclusion in a home in turnkey condition. Schedule your showing today.